In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add bots to your Discord server on mobile. Start by opening the web browser of your choice. Next, head to top.gg. This website features all the most popular Discord bots available. At the top, you will notice a search bar. If there is a specific bot that you want to add to your Discord server, then you can search for it here. There is also a list of hashtags that you can click on to search for specific types of bots. Alternatively, you can scroll down and sort between top and new. Top bots are the most popular Discord bots, and new are bots that have been newly added. Finding new creative bots to add to your server can help keep your server active. However, we recommend sticking to the popular bots. Popular bots are well known, meaning your members will be more familiar with how to use them. Click on a bot that you like the look of. Usually, you will be redirected to an information page describing what the bot does and how to use it. However, sometimes you will be redirected to the website for the bot. Click the Invite button to invite the bot to your server. Next, you will need to sign into your Discord account. Unlike using a computer, you will need to sign into your Discord account every time you add a bot. If you close or minimize the browser, you may need to sign back into Discord. Expand the drop menu and select the server you want to add bots to. Press Continue. Adjust any permissions you like, making sure that the permissions you disable won't interfere with the function of the bot. Typically, you can remove the administrator permission without having any issues. Alternatively, you can leave all of the permissions enabled if you feel comfortable with the bot. Scroll down and authorize. You may be redirected to Discord. If you are, then click Never mind. Depending on the bot that you've selected, you may be able to use it instantly, or you may need to go back to your browser and set up the features you want. Another way that you can add bots to your Discord server on mobile is to go directly to the official website of the bot. We will include links to some of the more popular Discord bots in the description. On the website, you will see either an Invite or Add to button. Clicking on the button will start the previously described process of adding a bot to your server. You will now be able to add bots to your Discord server on mobile.